Awesome. So I found it was really great because it really put into perspective how to come up with ideas and work with people together. I feel like one of the main things I got out of tonight was being able to have like better conversations with people and how to be more receptive of people's ideas. So I really enjoyed that aspect of it.
I really liked how different the workshop was. It's something kind of different to what we've done before, and it was a really good way to build a fun environment with the team and get to know a little bit more about everyone, because we do have a whole lot of new members as well. So it was really good for team bonding, especially when we shared those fun facts at the beginning, almost like some icebreakers. So I really enjoyed it. So thank you.
I liked how safe it was. Like, I'm definitely someone who likes to push my limits and be vulnerable, but I definitely shy away from embarrassment, and the fact that I could embarrass myself utterly tonight and no one judged me was really cool.
I was actually kind of surprised at how interactive and fun it was. I think coming from university, a lot of our Zoom lectures are us just sitting here for 90 minutes, 2 hours, just looking at things. And it was really great to kind of participate and really come out of our shells and get to know each other. So yeah, thank you.
I found tonight really quite insightful for me personally. I'm someone who probably tends to be one of the louder voices in the room, and I think by listening to sort of a conversation that's more around yes and rather than yes but or no but, I think learning about the limitations of the word but and how you can expand a conversation conversely by using and was really something that resonated well with me.
Yeah, I might follow on from that. I really like the activity, the yes and, because it built upon the like, oh no but to yes but to yes and it was really clear like the difference between them. So I really liked how it built upon each other. So yeah, it's really good. Thank you.
Yeah, I agree with like Pat and stuff. I think it was great to like bond with the team. I think we don't really have these activities often. And I think just being crazy and knowing that no one would be like judged or anything was really nice for bonding and stuff. And yeah, like people said, compared to normal uni classes where everyone's got like cameras off and stuff, it was really refreshing. So thank you.
I just thought how it kind of engaged everyone was so good. The fact that you can teach these things, but you've got everyone so engaged to listen and really take on all these aspects without having all this judgment. It really helped to establish all that communication and those skills that you're teaching us, and it's going to build so much for us in the future. It's really good.
It sounds really good. I really enjoyed the teamwork, the team bonding aspect of this thing, because I didn't know many of these people before. So getting to know everyone else, all the activities, and learning the skills that we can apply in our own cases, it was really good.
And me, I really loved participating in tonight's workshop. I loved having you, Carolyn, as our facilitator, because you were really energetic and knowledgeable. And even as a virtual workshop, my team was able to bond, get to know each other better, build trust, practice their presentation skills, and most of all, have fun.